How to allow TikTok access to photos and videos. When you open the TikTok app for the first time, then it will ask you permissions to allow access to photos and videos. However, if you have missed that, then don't worry, we can set it later also. Navigate to your TikTok app and tap and hold on it. If you click on the eye icon, you will land to app info. Scroll down and go to the usage section. Click on storage and select clear cache at the bottom. Go back and at the top you will see the option permissions. Select permissions and open it. Here at the bottom you will see the photos and videos option. Click on it and select always allow all. If you have any other options selected, then change it. Now when you go back, then photos and videos will be in the allowed section. This means that permission has been granted to TikTok. You can even check it by officially going to TikTok. Open TikTok app on your device and click on the plus icon at the very bottom. Now when the camera opens at the bottom right corner, you should see your gallery. When you click on it, then you will be able to see all the photos and videos. That's all for today. Thank you.